Are you still using D none to hide and show divs like this? Well, that's okay, but I'm going to show you a little trick you can do to have a better user experience. As you can see here, just removing D none in JavaScript does the job that we want it to, but it doesn't really give a great user experience. So we're going to jazz that up a little bit. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add opacity 0 where we have D none. And then in our JavaScript, we're still going to remove D none, but we're going to add a transition to opacity 1, which is something we're going to add in. There. Now, in our JavaScript, we're going to add another function because we need a promise. Here we're going to remove our opacity 0. And we're going to add opacity 1. Now, if we leave things like this won't work. And between the time of the object receiving a display block and then the opacity changing to allow a transition. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a timeout promise. And we're just going to set this to 10 milliseconds. This will remove our display none, give us a display block or display inline block, whatever you're using. And then after 10 milliseconds, we're going to start our opacity transition. And there you go. That looks a lot better than just popping in from a D none. We get the benefits of display none with height being 0. And we get a seamless transition, which is a much better user experience. I hope you found this helpful.